Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Me and Luca are going to Auckland at like 6 AM. What is she doing? We're going to see Billie Eilish. Look at her. In her PJs. Yeah, so we're leaving at 6 AM when it's at night time. We're probably just gonna shop just at the petrol station. Getting petrol, as you can see. Say hi.
Hello.
I'll see you guys in the morning. Woo. Good morning. It is currently 6 AM. We are gonna get ready to go to Auckland, but first we're gonna have breakfast. We're heading off now. So me and Luca are really creeped out right now because this guy has been stuck behind us for so long now. Like how long?
Like 40 minutes.
Like 40 minutes, right? Oh my god. He's been like right up our ass and he's had so much opportunities to pass us, yet he won't pass us. So when we passed this truck, he did the same thing. And so now we're like freaking out. Like he could just be heading to Auckland. I don't know. He keeps like doing what we're doing. He's passing right now when we're passing. Like what?
We're named Jared.
Yeah, his name's Jared. So never mind, he passed us. We are just overthinking. Are you telling YouTube if they ever drive naked?
Would you ever drive naked?
No. I would never drive naked.
No, but you're just gonna see, like.
What?
You made me hate this city, and I don't talk shit about you on the internet. It's all anything, 'cause that's just embarrassing.
So Luca's just putting makeup on and dressed
Car
park.
this morning.
We're gonna go to Chemist Warehouse while we're waiting for Dress Smart to open. We're going to Dress Smart now.
Starting this morning with that.
Luca's wearing yellow shoes.
My shoes are off. Hang on, let me do that again.
We've got the same shoes and they are dirty.
You got paint on it? Oh, hairspray paint. You said.
We're in Dress Smart.
Look big.
Yeah, that was cute.
I like that.
We're back from Dress Smart. I got that blue dress that I tried on at Maru. What did you get, Luca?
Shoes, running shoes.
Nike shoes.
And
Taco Bell is when hungry.
Still a whole.
A haul of one item.
Of what we get altogether.
A haul of Taco Bell.
Yeah. We should do a mukbang.
A mukbang.
Is that what they call it?
Mukbang.
Quick, you're on the.
So Luca thought that this was Sylvia Park. It's the Coca-Cola factory.
I just saw cars in a building. Leave me alone. Oh, okay.
Oh my god. So we only had to wait
Shut up.
6 minutes.
Shut up. That's your fault.
But Luca went the
Your
wrong
bad
way.
directing told me.
Shut up. We're on a highway.
Did we pass this one?
But now we actually only have to wait 5 minutes, which is better.
We'll see.
We made it. So we got Taco Bell and Dunkin' Donuts, and now we've lost the car. Anyway, Taco Bell was disgusting. Yeah, so where are we headed to now? Oh, we're gonna go to this American supermarket, is it?
Yeah.
Look at this. Oh my god. That's so cool. We are at Martha's Backyard, the American store. Oh my god, what are you doing?
Just want to see
What the hell? I thought we were gonna crash into something. She just swerved. Like, oh my god.
Some drunk ass bitch. That's me. Okay.
We have got some snacks to try. So we're gonna do a taste test.
Yeah.
I wanna try this. So I've got a Butterfinger.
Okay, I'll try one of mine. I've got a fruit by the foot.
It is a really
weird
hot.
name. It is. Oh, what the? Some like fruit wind up thing.
Mmm. It's really crunchy.
Wanna try this? I wouldn't buy it again.
I've still got the peanut butter in my mouth though.
It's like 50 cents.
I like that.
It's okay.
It's like a cherry flavour. I love cherry flavour.
The next thing I'm gonna try is a candy corn.
Is it good?
I don't know what it tastes like, but it's good.
That has no taste.
Yeah.
And as soon as you like put it in your mouth, it just breaks away. Can I have another one?
What does it taste like?
I feel like it has a hint of like caramel or something.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking actually. Okay, I'll try one of yours.
What are we trying?
I want to try your Takis.
Oh.
Just have the whole thing at once.
Wow. I just broke the bag.
Oh.
Are they that hot?
I could eat I ate the whole bag. It's like a weird taste. I needed water straight away.
Can I taste that Dorito?
What?
No,
Okay.
but that's good.
The next thing I'm gonna try is
I have no
Rice
water.
Krispie treats. Yeah, no. That's why I was wanting you to try it because I knew you didn't have water.
You're a bad friend.
Okay, let's try this Rice Krispie treat.
Holy f. Where the hell am I gonna get water?
This just sounds like an LSM bar.
What is in this?
Oh, drops of water. This flavoured topping. It's good though. It tastes like LSM bar. You know LSM?
It tastes worse than that.
What? It tastes more sugary.
Okay. I'm gonna try Junior Mints. I
No.
love minty stuff. People are like, it's like eating toothpaste. But no. It's actually really good. It's way better than eating toothpaste.
What? The
Oh, that's good.
exploded in my mouth of mint.
Mmm.
No. That's like super minty.
I like that.
Okay. Oh, sure. I didn't show. My next one is fruit roll-ups, mini rolls. That ant came all the way from home. Is it the same thing? I don't even know. Oh, it's the same thing.
Was it the same one?
It's exactly the same. Oh no, it tastes like it has more sugar. Oh, no. Oh no, it tastes the same.
It's different flavour.
Just more sugar though.
It's like strawberry.
Mm.
Okay, I want to do Reese's.
So it's just like M&M's with peanut butter on them.
Oh, yum. I love Reese's. Are you going to have some?
So two. Yum.
That's good. I love peanut butter.
Okay, next one is Kit Kat blueberry muffin flavour. Like, what in the world? Like, who would make a Kit Kat blueberry muffin?
Sounds good.
Yeah. You go. I don't know.
I feel like it's got a weird aftertaste.
I think the candy corn's my favourite so far.
The candy corn, which tasted like nothing.
Oh, I kind of liked it. Oh no.
You like eating nothing?
I also got
Well, you like eating something.
this for my friend for her birthday. I'm gonna get more, but frosted cinnamon roll pop tarts.
I really want to try that.
She's gonna love them. She's gonna like die. She's like, ah! I know she loves them. What's that? Chips Ahoy.
I really want to try these. I know they're just cookies, but they're like the Chips Ahoy ones. Have you tried them?
No.
Do you not know them? I see them all around on YouTube videos.
Break one in half. Oh. Oh, that's bad. What? This is some dry ass cookie. Can I put it back or should I check out the car?
No.
Ugh.
I got these as well. I've tried them before, they're really
How
good.
much were they?
$2.
That's pretty good.
I think my favourite is either this one or the Reese's Pieces.
I like peanut butter. You want Takis?
They're good, but like
Aren't they?
spicy.
Oh my god. These boxes of goldfish.
Whoa.
Haven't tried goldfish?
I'm gonna try that. They really just need to do like little packets of things though, instead of just like big ass packets.
Yeah. Do I actually get Wi-Fi from here? Oh, I don't. Oh, they.
Thank you for watching our mini little American snack haul. What are we doing now?
Waiting.
We're staying at Luca's family's house, and she doesn't get home till 4:30, and so we have to wait around. And
For a
it's
whole hour.
3:20.
Yeah, 3-2. Basically a whole hour. So
We're
we
gonna
don't
wait
know
around
when
for
we're
an
going.
hour.
The
Anyway,
sports right there.
see you soon.
We should do like we should do a challenge at Real Sport, and like film a YouTube video and like do a challenge.
What challenge?
I don't know, like some trying on challenge or something. That'd be.
We're just chilling. What are we gonna do, Luca?
I said beach or skytown.
So it's 3 days later and I totally forgot to say goodbye. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.